Hey everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to fix Bank of America where temporarily unable to log you in. First of all, check your network. Make sure you are connected to a stable network, and then try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to rule out network issue. Then restart the app. Swipe up from the bottom of your screen and then swipe it away. Next, try to reopen it. After that, head over to your app store, search for Bank of America mobile banking, and then make sure to update the app to the latest version. Updating your app ensures you have all the latest files and bug fixes, so update it. Then turn off any VPN or proxy if you're using them. After that, wait for 5 to 10 minutes. Sometimes it's server issues. Safety tip: do not retry too many times, your account may lock. Quick fix: use the website version. Go to the Safari app and then search for Bank of America, and then try logging in from there. And that's it. Subscribe for more fixes.